This section is about renaming commands. On the instance page, locate the target instance and choose More. Rename high-risk command in the operation column. We can select the required commands and disable them. For involved parameters, we can see the description of each parameter in the official documentation. For example, we can rename the flash all to new name and click OK. To check the renaming result, we can view new command names on the Rename High-Risk Command page. After the renaming is complete, original commands become invalid and you need to use new commands to perform operations.